This video will help you understand the functions and features of remote control of your Samsung Wind Free series air conditioner. Please ensure that the batteries are properly inserted in the remote. Use the start and stop button to turn on or turn off the air conditioner. Mode. The mode button allows you to select or switch between cool, auto, dry, and fan operation modes. Use the fan button to set the speed of the fan to high, medium, low, or auto. Use the temperature button to adjust the temperature settings. Display lighting function. Use this feature to turn on or turn off the display of the indoor unit. Timed on and timed off. Set the timer to automatically turn on or turn off the AC. Good sleep or biosleep. For an additional comfort, this mode regulates the temperature and air humidity throughout the night and also saves energy. Fast and wind-free. Fast mode provides airflow through flaps, while wind-free mode provides air through small pores. Horizontal and vertical air swing indicators. They ensure a smooth airflow through uniform cooling. Set. When pressed for 3 seconds, the set button will change the temperature unit from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. Motion detect sensor. With this unique feature, you can control the airflow and its direction. Use direct-indirect function for managing the airflow. Use direct option to get the airflow directly at you. Indirect option will evenly distribute the airflow. Auto clean. The auto clean feature prevents growth of harmful microorganisms by eliminating the moisture inside the indoor unit. Monitor energy consumption. With usage mode, you can monitor energy consumed by your air conditioner. The unit displays electricity consumption only after the AC is turned on. CF. CF is just an indicator that the filters need to be cleaned. To reset the filter cleaning reminder, follow the given steps. Connect your AC to SmartThings app. Press the timer button for 4 seconds. AB will appear on indoor unit, which indicates that now it is ready to be connected to SmartThings app. Hope this video helped you understand the features of Samsung Inverter Wind Free series air conditioner remote control.